mid-century modern really timeless? Is mid-century modern timeless, classic, or has it really just become another trend? Timeless. Trendy, where does it fall? Hi, I'm Jade. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the conversation of mid-century modern and timeless and how to use it, or is it going trendy? Is it too much? Does everyone have it? And how to decide if it's for you. If you love interior design, interior decorating, some gardens and lifestyle, then you're probably going to love it here. I have some really cool, exciting videos in the mix coming in 2025. I absolutely love sharing my thoughts and ideas, and I would love to show you some things along the way, how I style my DIYs, and because we all deserve to love our space no matter what budget we are working with, I want to show you some savvy ways to create an absolutely gorgeous space. So if you are interested in any of those things I just rattled off about making your home somewhere you just love, then please subscribe and like this video. I would love to have you part of the family and come along for this awesome little ride that 2025 will be. I'm so happy that you're here. Mid-century modern, also known as MCM, as you may see, if you are a beginner and you are just learning about mid-century modern and you're seeing all of these pictures of this certain style and you're sort of like, what is going on? What trend is this? Then you'd be right, because it is everywhere right now, absolutely everywhere. You can just open Pinterest and it is full of mid-century modern shapes and colors and styles. Mid-century modern originated in the mid-20th century. So about 70 years ago, some amazing designers created some incredible pieces that we still absolutely love today. The 1940s and the 1950s were really, really important and extremely pivotal in the design world. With the emphasis on harmony, form, and function, some of these pieces are absolutely incredible. They really pushed the limit on creativity and pushing the limits on materials. They used leather and timber in ways that people had never used them before. The aesthetic embraces clean and beautiful lines, something I absolutely love. Other mid-century modern characteristics include really large, beautiful windows, allowing a lot of light in, and that feeling of nature isn't too far away. Sometimes the incorporation of a bold, beautiful jewel color comes in the way of a sofa or an armchair or even a piece of art. Now, there's many reasons to love mid-century modern. The rooms aren't usually overly full. It is really intentional about what kind of pieces of furniture do go into these spaces. They are a little bit on the minimal side. There's not a whole heap of decor. Everything has its place. Iconic pieces like the Eames chair, the wishbone chair, one of my absolute favorites. I'm still on the savings pot for real wishbone chairs, because they are the ultimate, for me, classic timeless chair. One day we will have some. Even the pedestal table is still something you look at and think, is it new or is it old? I'm not quite sure. So mid-century modern has some great positives. Its design principles, use of materials, absolutely oozing timeless elegance. I stand for timeless elegance through and through in my design world, in my home. I absolutely love the clean freshness of a mid-century modern shape and style, and I often throw these pieces around at an extremely modern home, and it really can bring some character to it. Designers really pushed the innovation, and I'm so glad that they did. And as we evolve with the years, the production of items are just getting better and better. Almost every piece that was created was built to last, and that is something that is coming back into fashion, of buying quality, buying once, buying something that you know is going to last. Mid-century modern has been extremely popular is due to a few really key reasons, and that is characteristics, materials, and function. Now, some of us do argue that it has become too trendy in recent times, and it feels more trendy than timeless because everyone's doing it. Some mid-century modern pieces in an ultra modern home don't look right, and that is okay. So deciding if mid-century modern is for you and your space, it really does depend on what you're trying to achieve. When used thoughtfully and carefully planned, your creations of mixing mid-century modern with some other pieces, vintage or unique color. To me, mid-century modern is absolutely beautiful. It is timeless, it's stunning, it's sophisticated, and it will go with most homes. But there's a big but. Overuse will make a space feel stuck in an era. It has no personality, it feels boring, it feels flat. So you do need to bring unique pieces together with a mid-century modern based home. We don't want boring and we don't want flat. So we need it to be mixed with another era and some uniqueness, and we need it to be mixed with you and your personality. So my perfect answer to this crazy question of is mid-century modern timeless or trendy is mixing eras, plain and simple. We mix items, we mix materials, we mix textures, we mix mid-century modern with vintage, and we mix it with you and your personality, a freshness and a balanced look, and you can create the most glorious spaces with mid-century modern designed pieces. It has timeless qualities, no questions asked. But how will you use it in your space? Creating a space that is truly yours is the ultimate answer, and I want you to love your space no matter what. Finding items that you want in your space, they're the ones that you want, because they'll stay there for years and they will look beautiful, and no one will know quite when you purchased it. And that is the best thing about buying timeless. You never quite know. Is it an item that was made in the 1950s or was it made last year? So if you're designing a home, refreshing a space, understanding that mixing eras and mixing timeless and trendy and classics and uniqueness to a space is the ultimate answer. It can save you time, money, stress, if you create a plan and you understand what timeless classics really are. If you love a timeless, sophisticated look, then head down the path of a neutral base. Neutral sofa is never going out of fashion. Other things that won't go out of fashion, hardwood floors in a beautiful oak tone. They are never, ever going out of fashion. And marble countertops, those are the things that you see installed in places and you do think, was that installed last year or was it installed 25 years ago? Unless you have any other feature in a space, kitchen or wherever, sometimes you really don't know because of these items. They're just so beautifully classic. So the future is you and your beautiful home, your beautiful space. I can't wait to see some spaces that are in mid-century modern, but with a twist and your personality. I can't wait. So the future of mid-century modern isn't going anywhere. If anything, it is only going to grow, and the quality of items is just getting better and better. There's so many sustainable developments in the creation of items that in the future, we will be able to get items that will last beyond our lifetime. Mid-century modern absolutely is a timeless elegance. So let's quickly take a look at the wishbone chair. It is roughly 72 years old, for the style that is, with a design that's been in continuous production that truly shows you how an incredible piece. The best thing about timeless is really just that. You never know when it was made, installed, or created. It's just beauty. So if you're excited to create a home that really never dates It has that personality. I'd be so excited to have you along. Please subscribe. I absolutely am so excited for 2025 and inspiring you to create the most beautiful homes on any budget. I would love to know in the comments, what are your goals for 2025 regarding your space or home? Please let me know. Are you hoping to have a refresh of a living room? Do you want ideas for paint colors? Do you get stuck on lighting? I would love to take it all back to the basics and really come to answer some questions really from you, because you are the most important people, and I am so happy that I have jumped into this for 2025. Also, if you have an opinion about mid-century modern, is it timeless or is it trendy? I would absolutely love to know. Jump into those comments and give me your 2 cents. I love it. Some people do not. And I just want to know your opinion because it's fun. So I hope I have encouraged or inspired you to perhaps add a piece of a mid-century modern design item into your home, and I am so excited for 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.